How to fix the issue of not receiving code on DeepSeek. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how exactly you can fix this problem. First thing first, make sure that you have installed DeepSeek in your device. Once done, open it. At this section, you have to make sure that you are entering your email address correctly and that you have an access of the email address that you are trying to sign up with. And if you are trying to create an account and the verification code is taking a lot of time, then you want to go ahead and change the email address. For instance, if you were using the phone number in order to create an account, this time type in a different email address. If you were entering an email address, try your phone number, or you can also create a dummy email address in order to sign up for DeepSeek. And also make sure that you are connected to a very stable Wi-Fi connection. This is very important if you are trying to receive a code. So if you do all the things that I have mentioned, this shall definitely fix your problem. That is all for today, you guys. Thank you all for watching, and we will catch you up in our next upload.
So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.